When it comes to maintaining or upgrading your home, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is replacing old or damaged windows. While it may be tempting to tackle the job yourself or hire an unlicensed contractor to save a few dollars, professional window replacement is essential for homeowners in Orangeburg, SC. From improving energy efficiency to enhancing curb appeal, hiring experts ensures the job is done right. Here's why professional window replacement is crucial for homes in Orangeburg. Expertise and precision. Window replacement is not just about removing the old window and installing a new one. It requires expertise in measurement, framing, sealing, and choosing the right materials for the specific needs of your home. Professional window installers in Orangeburg bring years of experience and the right tools to ensure that your new windows are perfectly fitted and securely installed. Improperly installed windows can lead to a host of problems, like gaps in the frame that allow drafts or water to enter, poor insulation, or even structural damage over time. With a professional installation, you can rest assured that your windows will function as intended, providing protection from the elements and contributing to your home's energy efficiency. Energy efficiency and cost saving is one of the top reasons homeowners in Orangeburg replace their windows is to improve energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane models, can allow heat to escape in winter and let unwanted heat in during the summer. This can cause your HVAC system to work harder, resulting in higher energy bills. Professional window replacement services offer energy-efficient window options that are designed to provide superior insulation. Double or triple glazed windows with low E coatings can significantly reduce heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Additionally, energy-efficient windows can help lower your utility bills over time, making the initial investment in professional installation well worth it. Moreover, many utility companies offer rebates or incentives for upgrading to energy-efficient windows, so you might be able to offset some of the cost of the replacement. Improved curb appeal and property value. Your home's windows have a big impact on its overall appearance. Replacing old, worn-out windows with new, stylish options can instantly improve the curb appeal of your home. Whether you choose classic wood windows, sleek vinyl frames, or modern fiberglass, a fresh set of windows can elevate the aesthetic of your entire property. Not only will your home look better, but professional window replacement can also increase your home's property value. Homes with modern, well-maintained windows are more attractive to potential buyers, and high-quality windows are often a key selling point. If you're planning to sell your home in the near future, investing in new windows can make your property more competitive in the market. Enhanced security and safety. Windows do more than just let in light and offer a view. They also provide a critical level of security for your home. Old, damaged, or poorly installed windows can compromise the safety of your home by being more vulnerable to break-ins or accidents. Professional window installers ensure that all locks, latches, and security features are correctly installed. They can also help you select windows with advanced safety features, such as impact-resistant glass, tempered panes, or double locks for added security. By opting for professional window replacement, you can enjoy greater peace of mind knowing that your home is safer. Proper installation and warranty protection. One of the most important reasons to hire professionals for window replacement in Orangeburg is the warranty protection that comes with their services. Reputable window companies offer warranties on both the products and the installation. This means that if there are any defects in the window or issues with the installation, you can get the problem resolved without incurring additional costs. If you were to attempt a DIY installation or hire an unqualified contractor, you may not be covered by a warranty. Additionally, improper installation can void the manufacturer's warranty on the windows themselves. Professional installers ensure that the job is done correctly, preserving the warranty and protecting your investment. Time and convenience. Window replacement is a time-consuming task that requires careful planning, preparation, and attention to detail. Professional window installers can complete the project quickly and efficiently, minimizing the disruption to your daily routine. They also handle all aspects of the installation, from removing the old windows to cleaning up the site afterward, so you don't have to worry about the mess or the hassle. Additionally, professionals are familiar with local building codes and regulations, ensuring that your window replacement meets all the necessary requirements for your area. This can save you time and avoid potential issues with permits or inspections down the road. Conclusion. Professional window replacement is an investment that pays off in numerous ways for homeowners in Orangeburg. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's energy efficiency, improve security, boost curb appeal, or increase property value, hiring experts ensures the job is done right the first time. The experience, precision, and quality of materials that come with professional window installation provide long-term benefits that DIY attempts simply can't match. If your windows are old, damaged, or inefficient, it's time to consider professional window replacement in Orangeburg. Not only will you improve your home's comfort and appearance, but you'll also save money on energy bills and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected.